Hi, I'm Randy with BBQGuys.com. Today I want to show you guys a cool recipe to do while you're home gating with your friends. Smoked sausage and beer cheese dip. Let's check it out.
So we're using the Primo smoker today. Let's go ahead and get our coals hot. Meanwhile, we'll oil our peppers and get our sausage ready to smoke. We want the sausage to be fully cooked, so we'll let this smoke for about 45 minutes. Once done, we'll dice our peppers and drain the sausage. Then move on to dicing our onion. Now grate the cheese and set it aside. Over higher heat, we'll melt our butter for the base of the dip. Sauté the onion for about 5 minutes before adding the sausage and peppers. Mix it all up and add your beer. Reduce down for a few minutes and add some flour to thicken. Now for arguably the most important ingredient, cheese. Get that all incorporated, then we'll add our mustard. Garnish with some green onions and enjoy.
Thanks for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And remember, at BBQGuys.com, we smoke the competition.